Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Devangi Dwivedi, Senior Lecturer in the Department of Oral Pathology and Microbiology, PBD University. Today I am going to tell you about staging versus grading and TNM staging. So cancer, as you all know, it is a term used for diseases in which abnormal cells divide without control and are able to invade other tissues. Now let's see how staging is different from grading. Staging, it is based on clinical, radiological and surgical criteria such as tumor size, involvement of regional lymph nodes and presence of metastasis. It has prognostic value. Grading, it is based on the microscopic features of the cells which compose a tumor and is specific for the tumor type. Next, coming to the TNM staging. So oral cancer staging is critical for determining the appropriate treatment. Tumors are currently staged by TNM classification system. Here T represents the size of the primary tumor, N indicates the status of the regional lymph nodes, M indicates the presence or absence of distant metastasis. Coming to the primary tumor, TIS, it stands for carcinoma in situ. T0, no evidence of primary tumor. T1, primary tumor less than 2 cm. T2, primary tumor between 2 to 4 cm. T3, primary tumor less than 4 cm. And the last is your T4, invasion of tumor into adjacent structures, for example the muscle, skin, bone and the nerves. Next is your nodal status. N0, no regional lymph node metastasis. N1, metastasis to a single ipsilateral lymph node less than 3 cm. N2A, metastasis to a single ipsilateral lymph node, it is between 3 to 6 cm. N2B, metastasis to multiple ipsilateral lymph nodes less than 6 cm. N2C, metastasis to bilateral or contralateral lymph nodes less than 6 cm. N3, metastasis to any lymph node but greater than 6 cm. Next, coming to the distant metastasis, MX cannot be assessed. M0, no distant metastasis. M1 stands for your distant metastasis. After knowing all this, let's come to the staging. So there are 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. Stage 1, T1, N0, M0. Stage 2, T2, N0, M0. Stage 3, T1, N1, M0. T2, N1, M0. T3, N0, N1 or M0. Last is your stage 4, T4, N0, N1, M0, NET, N2, N3, M0, NET, NEN or NEM1. That was all for today. Thank you.